About a year ago, we actually made the switch to SOLIDWORKS Electrical. The transition was easy because there was a lot of frustrations I had with the previous software. That was where all my questions for the sales team is, these are the things I have the biggest frustration with, the things I spend the most time on. How can I eliminate these, and does your product satisfy that? SOLIDWORKS definitely improved the amount of time that I've spent on creating these schematics. There's a lot of overlap between controls that I can basically pull from one project and just input into another, whereas before I would be doing it all over again. Things change all the time, so a lot of my day is, hey, we found out we actually need to add this thing to the machine and make those changes and then reflect those changes. So I guess on the SOLIDWORKS Electrical side, I can talk about the ease of switching. So whether it's adding sensors, if it's adding whole modules, if it's replacing how certain things work, all of that needs to be done as quick as possible so we can go back to testing. And we usually find that during testing. So I'll have an initial revision of what I think the machine looks like, and it's never the same in the end. So to be able to make that change as quickly as possible, make sure we don't forget about those changes, because the customer needs to know that in the end, the machine that they get matches what the schematic says as well. Moving to SOLIDWORKS Electrical is because of how heavy we use the CAD portion of it. So being able to interact with the mechanical team to make sure that we get cut lengths of wires, being able to describe the wiring, all of that, and how it's going to flow through the machine, lets us collaborate on building the machine as efficiently as possible. Develop's kind of a unique company in that sense, where we have our whole team is engineers from all different types of industries, all different types of backgrounds. So the different viewpoints that come to solving a problem are really unique, and just having that experience makes it so much easier for us to combine it all. There's no lag. So that lets us know, like, as a machinist, these are things that I need from my mechanical design team. As an electrical engineer, this is what I need from the assembly team. And that close collaboration lets us learn really quick. As a team, every week we talk about things that are our wins for the week. These are things that they're not necessarily expected for us to do, but we can all get excited together that, hey, we went above and beyond on this. So we can celebrate together and learn that this is now something we all know.